Looking for a quick and delicious breakfast? Today we are making Egg Bread Nashta, a soft, buttery and lightly sweet recipe that's ready in just a few minutes. Let's start the recipe. First, crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Whisk them well until smooth. Whisk the egg mixture well for a smooth coating. Eggs are a great source of high quality protein. Now pour in 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon milk powder, add 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Whisk everything together until the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. A pinch of cinnamon adds a warm aroma and delicious flavor. Milk powder makes the egg mixture richer and creamier. Now take a few bread slices. Cut them into pieces, just as shown. Dip each bread piece into the egg mixture. Make sure both sides are coated evenly. Dip the bread quickly so it stays soft without becoming soggy, but don't soak them for too long. Heat 1 tablespoon butter in a frying pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter melts, place the coated bread pieces into the pan. Cook over medium-low heat to prevent the outside from burning. Toast one side until it turns light golden. Use fresh butter for the best flavor and a beautiful golden color. Milk provides calcium that supports healthy bones and teeth. French toast has been enjoyed in different countries. Soft inside and slightly crisp outside, this recipe is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even an evening snack. Flip and cook the other side until both sides are beautifully golden. Pair the recipe with fresh fruit for a more balanced meal. Remove from the pan and serve warm. Enjoy your egg bread nashta with honey, maple syrup, fresh fruits, or simply as it is. Your delicious egg bread nashta is ready, soft in the center, golden on the outside and filled with the warm flavor of cinnamon. It's a wonderful way to start the day. Try it for breakfast and enjoy every bite with your family. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy breakfast recipes, snacks, and homemade dishes.